Hello all, welcome to Raj Informatica. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, today is our first CAI session, Cloud Application Integration. So we are going to learn here what is CAI. So how to deal with the CAI with IICS, how to implement Cloud Application Integration in IICS, we are going to learn. Okay. Yes, guys. So are you ready? Shall we start CAI? Yeah. Okay. So before going to CAI, we need to understand what is API first. Okay. So what is API? Okay. Yes, please. So anyone, what is API means? Before we need to go to IICS CAI, we need to learn first API. What is API means? Anyone? API means Application Program Interface. API. Okay. So what we are first we need to learn about API. So what is API? API means Application Program Interface. Application Program Interface. Yes, please. So this is called API. So anybody heard about API? Anywhere? Did you heard about API anywhere in your real time? So where you have heard about API? Where exactly you have heard? So REST API, SOAP API, you could have heard, correct? So did you heard a word called web service? Web service. It's not web server. Web service. Did you heard a word called web service? Yeah. Okay. Yes. So now we need to understand what is API. Okay. API means Application Program Interface. Okay. So Application Program Interface. Application Program Interface means, in a simple terms, I can say in a simple terms, see here we need to understand two things. Before you learning API or web service, you need to learn two things. Client server. Server client. Okay. For anything, for any application, for any API, we will be having two things. Server client. See, in API, client will send a request to server. Client will send a request to server. So this is called request. Client will send a request to server. Yes, please. Understanding? Client will ask a request. Request means what? It is asking something. It is asking some access. Who is asking the access? Client is asking the access. Then when it is validated with server, server will send a response to client. Understanding? Everyone? Did you understand what is the meaning of request and response? Did you understand what is a request and response? Yes, please. Yes, the data is exchanging here. So client is asking some data. It is requesting some data. It is requesting some data. Yes, please. And once it will validate this request, if it is validated If it is validated, then it will give a response. It will give a response back to the client. This is in a simple term API. Okay, understood? Yes, please. If you see here, this is the best example. This is the best example here. Let's take this is a server or application. Okay. So this is like a kitchen. It's a restaurant, for example, in a simple terms. In a restaurant, we'll be having a kitchen, we'll be having a dining hall. Correct? To the dining hall, customers will sit in the dining hall. So customers will send a request through API. API is a middleman here. Understanding? Customers will request food through whom directly they will not go to kitchen and they will eat. Correct? Yes or no? Customers in a restaurant, they will not go to kitchen and they will order themselves. Yes or no, please? So what they will do? There is one person called a server or a whoever it is. Okay? A bearer or whoever it is. They will give a request in the form of them. They will go to the kitchen and they will give whatever the order they placed, and they will take the items and they will take the items and they will give to the users. So this is called a request, which users are sent. Waiter, yes, which users are sent, and we will get a response. Understood? Are you clear, please? So in this, API is a middleman. He will be working as by using an API, you can interact with the client and server. Understood? Client and server, in between API will come. Understanding? Here, through API, this request and response will go. Clear? Understood? So that is about API. Okay. So here, what kind of request they will send? A client makes a HTTP request, application program interface, okay, is a set of the rules that defines how applications can communicate each other. So these two, server is one application, client is one application, let's say, for example. Okay. How these will communicate? Through HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP request, they will send HTTP hypertext protocol. Correct? Yes or no, please? HTTP, a HTTP request to an API. Okay. So then a request will send through HTTP, okay, hypertext transfer protocol. Correct. Response will come through XML or JSON. Okay. Yes, please. So client will send a request to the server through HTTP protocol, HTTP, and server will give a response through XML or JSON formats. Understanding? Everyone? If you go little bit inside, in depth, yes, client will send a request, server will send a response. Correct? Yes, guys. Now, how the client will send a request? Through HTTP call, we can say. And how server will give a response to client? XML or JSON. Understood? Are you clear, please? We have already seen what is XML, what is JSON, correct? We have already seen what is XML, what is JSON. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? Yes, please. Yeah, we'll see again. So how the XML format, how the JSON format, we'll see again. Did you understand, please? Now, okay, XML and JSON are files. So a client can issue certain kinds of HTTP protocol request. So client can send a GET request or a PUT request or a post request or a delete request. Okay, a client can send what kind of request a client can send? A get request, okay, or a put request, or a post request, or a delete request. So what are these? We'll see in detail in the later sessions. We'll see in detail in the later sessions. Understood? Are you clear? So client can request a get request or a put request or a post request or a delete request, or many are there, or many others are there. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Yeah. So whoever joined late, I'll give the video. Please go through that. Please go through the video. I'll give the video. Okay. Now next. So what are the benefits of API? What are the benefits of API? So simple. API means integrate the applications. Okay, I will tell you example in some time. So what are the benefits of API? I'll come back. Okay, so that is integration, innovation, expansion, ease of maintenance. All these things I will tell. Now different ways of API. Different ways of API. SOAP API, REST API, RPC APIs, WebSocket APIs. Yes, please. SOAP API means Simple Object Access Protocol. Yes, please. REST API. Okay. And RPC APIs and WebSocket APIs. Yes, guys. So our main area is REST API. Okay. SOAP APIs, they were using in web servers, web services. Okay. So, but right now, our APIs are using REST APIs. What are these? What is a SOAP API? What is a REST API? I will come back in some time. Okay. Yes, please. Now let's take an example. Now let's take an example. How API will work. So can you tell me some APIs which you know? Can you tell me some APIs which you know? IICS can use SOAP and REST both. IICS can use SOAP and REST APIs both. But in real time, we will use REST APIs. Okay. Can you tell me some examples of API? Can you tell me some examples of API? Anyone? Okay, I will tell you. Yes, please. RPC and all it will not support. Only two APIs it will support. IICS will support two APIs. SOAP API, REST API. Okay. You know everyone what's a business, correct? Do you know everyone what's a business? Everyone knows about what's a business? Guys, please respond. Yeah. So what's a business? Normally what we do? You can install in your system, correct? So download WhatsApp business. Download WhatsApp business, Android or WhatsApp business. WhatsApp business, Android, okay, or iOS, and install in your mobile. Correct? Yes, please. Okay. But if you use excess usage of this WhatsApp business, sometimes WhatsApp will ban you, correct? If you use excess usage, it is happening in our case also. Okay. So excess usage, if you do, WhatsApp will ban you. Okay. WhatsApp will ban. Not hang, ban. You cannot use WhatsApp. WhatsApp will ban. So what they have done, WhatsApp people, if you see, suppose if you open any website, let's example, my website only normally. So if I open rajinformatica.com, okay. If I open rajinformatica.com, are you seeing a WhatsApp button here? So how this, when you send a message to here, so it will open WhatsApp to you and you can send a message and that message to come to me. Okay. So I meant to say, suppose if I wanted to integrate WhatsApp in my website, I wanted to integrate WhatsApp in my website, correct? Yes, please. So website itself an application. So if you see, okay, so this website itself an application, correct? My website itself is an application. Inside this application, I am trying to integrate one more application. I am trying to integrate one more application called WhatsApp. Now what I need to do? I need to contact WhatsApp APIs. WhatsApp having API. So what they will do, WhatsApp people. So in this, there are WhatsApp API companies are there. Do you know WhatsApp API companies? Anybody know WhatsApp API companies? So who can provide WhatsApp APIs? There are many companies. I'll show you. So this is just direct to WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp business is direct. But in this WhatsApp business application, we will be having less features. In this WhatsApp business application, we will be having less features. Okay. So what they will do, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp has developed API. WhatsApp will give API to some companies. By using a WhatsApp API, they will develop their own APIs. So here, WhatsApp is a server. For example, WhatsApp is a server. WhatsApp is a server. Okay. WhatsApp business or whatever. WhatsApp business application is a server. WhatsApp company, that is Meta. WhatsApp is from Meta, correct? WhatsApp is from Facebook. Okay. Who owns WhatsApp? Facebook or Meta. Now they are having a server. What they will do? They will provide a facility to developers who can develop APIs and use this server. Like same WhatsApp. If you Google search, if you go to Google and Google search, okay, and Google search WhatsApp APIs. WhatsApp API. Okay. Wati. The examples of WhatsApp APIs are examples of WhatsApp API. Okay. Examples of WhatsApp API. So what are the examples? That means companies, or I can say companies who provides WhatsApp API. Okay. Who provides WhatsApp API. So what are the companies? Wati, one of the company. And we have Gupshup, one more. Gupshup. Okay. Or I'll tell you one more. Okay. Wati, Gupshup. There is one more. Okay. Twilio. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Twilio. And one more. I have all contacted with them. Okay. What are those? I'll tell you. I'll show you. These are all WhatsApp APIs. Okay, I will show you. Please. And one more I have seen. WhatsApp. Yeah, this one. Ultra message also. Ultra message. So there are many WhatsApp APIs are there. Okay. Now see, please, if I open Wati, what they will do. So I'll show you Wati. Please see. See here. So how Wati will work is, Wati will develop a WhatsApp API. Wati will develop a WhatsApp API, and users can use Wati. Users can use Wati. In the Wati, what? we have many features which are not available in our WhatsApp business. Whatever the WhatsApp business we have available, apart from that, we have many features in Wati. What are the features? They will give, okay. So bulk WhatsApp messages, we can send by using Wati. Individual user access, individual employee access. Suppose, let's take my company, Raj Informatica. In my company, there are 6 people working. Okay. Now, currently, what we are doing? All 6 people are using same WhatsApp web, correct? 4 people, let's say, in these 6 people, normally WhatsApp web can be used by 4 people, correct? WhatsApp web, you know WhatsApp web? Web.whatsapp.com. Everyone knows about it. Web.whatsapp.com can be logged in at a time 4 users plus 1 mobile user, correct? Do you know about this, everyone? At a time 4 members in laptops and 1 mobile application we can. That means I can, so total 5 users can access. 1 mobile user, 4 laptop users. Okay? With the same number, correct? With the same number. I have my number, right? 8105296858. Now, when you send a message, sometimes Nazia, this is Nazia from Rajasthan. Sometimes this is Karthik from Rajasthan. Sometimes this is Arshita from Kart. You will get the messages, yes or no? Depends. All they are working in single system? No. They have individual laptops, 4 laptops. In the 4 laptops, WhatsApp web with the same number they logged in. And we have a mobile also, which is the main, this one. Correct? Yes or no, please? Understanding? Now, see, if they send a message that this is Sarita, then as a manager, I am the CEO of my company. Let's say I am the owner of my company. Raj Informatica, at least it is my company. See, at a time, 4 people are sending WhatsApp messages to the users. Users means students. I don't know who is sending the message, correct? At a time, 4 employees are sending the message to students. So until and unless they tell that this is Nazia, this is Karthik, I don't know who is sending the message to whom. Correct? Yes or no, please? Understanding? Yes, guys. So, see, if they send just hi, I don't know whether Karthik is sending a message. I don't know whether Nazia is sending a message. I don't know whether Harshita is sending a message. I don't know whether Diviraj is sending a message. That is why I asked them, whenever you send a message to my students, you just mention your name. Okay, this is Karthik from Rasa team. So that I will get to know that you are replying to that message. Correct? This is all headache. Only 4. I need 10 users access now. I need 10 WhatsApp access, 10 WhatsApp web access. So you cannot get it. By using direct WhatsApp web, you cannot get it. But this 10 WhatsApp web can get through Wati. Wati can give 20 web WhatsApps also. But by using Wati, they will give individual user access. Understanding, everyone? So what they will do, they will give a link. They will give a link like this. For 1 number, yes. For 1 number, WhatsApp web directly giving 4 access, correct? 4 laptops you can log in. Understanding, everyone? By using, you no need to purchase anything. With a free thing, you can download a WhatsApp web, WhatsApp business through your mobile. You can try if you want. You can go to linked devices, go to WhatsApp, linked devices. You can link to 4 devices. Correct? Yes or no? Anybody tried? Anybody tried this? In 4 laptops, you can try. You can use at a time. 4 plus 1 device, 1 mobile, 5 devices you can. But now, in my company is growing. I have 10 employees. I want 10 web WhatsApps. Every customer I have a main WhatsApp. Okay, this is my number, correct? 8105 is my number. In the website, every student will send a message to 8105296858. This is my main WhatsApp number. So suppose daily suppose 500 students are sending a message to me. Okay. So student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, like this. I have many students throughout the world. Okay. So all these people will go to my website and they will send a message. Correct? To this number. Yes or no? Now who will reply to that messages? Who will reply to that messages? Employees. My company employees will send a messages. One person can send to all the people? No, you cannot. I have 10 people. 10 people want to send the messages at a time. So all these messages should go to all these 10 web WhatsApps I want. I want 10 web WhatsApps. 10 web WhatsApps. Okay. These 10 web WhatsApps, what I want, anybody can, then I can easily. So now what I will do? So I have a WhatsApp. I will go to Wati. So this is Wati. Okay. I will go to Wati. Yes, please. Or I have a WhatsApp. Suppose I have business WhatsApp 8105296858. This is business WhatsApp. But the limitation of business WhatsApp is the 8105296858 business WhatsApp. Okay. WhatsApp business. So this is the application. I'm just explaining you how the API will work. Okay. Yeah. So this is all. Now I cannot use 10 web WhatsApps here. So what I will do? I will go to a company called Wati. I will ask, this is my requirement. I have 10 employees. At a time, 10 employees can reply with the same number. User should not know. Student should not know whether I am using a API or just an application. But like a normal WhatsApp, they should get the messages. Correct? Now, what they will do? Wati has developed an API, developed a WhatsApp business API, WhatsApp trusted API, WhatsApp business API. They developed an API and they will directly contact with the WhatsApp people. Okay, this is main WhatsApp. Okay, so let's say this is our main WhatsApp. Okay, this is our. Now, what has done? They developed a API. Through this API, what they will do? Okay, so they will integrate. They developers. What they have done? They developed a similar application called similar application like a WhatsApp. Wati has a similar application like a WhatsApp. Now Wati will give, once I pay to the Wati, I'll pay the money to Wati. Suppose per month, I'll pay 50,000 to Wati. Then Wati, what they will do? They will give 10 user access. How they will give 10 user access? So they will give a link. Wati will give a link. What kind of a link they will give? Like this. HTTPS Wati/user1. Okay. Wati-Raj Informatica. So they will give a dedicated URL for us /user1. Okay. Like this, we will get 10 URLs from Wati. Okay. So from these 10 URLs, what we are using, we are not now, this WhatsApp web is gone. I will uninstall WhatsApp web in my system, in my web. When I contact to Wati, what they will do? You uninstall WhatsApp business in your mobile. You install my application. Which application? API. Whatever they developed the API. This API again contacting internally with the WhatsApp company. This API internally it is ultimately the money goes to WhatsApp. Ultimately the money goes to Meta or WhatsApp. Okay. Here, who is the middleman? What is the middleman? By using WhatsApp's features, WhatsApp has provided some features to these kind of companies. These kind of companies. Okay. So they developed more features than WhatsApp is giving, and they will charge. These are not free. What is not free? Per month from Raj Informatica, what is taking 50,000 per month. Okay. And they will give 30,000 to WhatsApp directly. Meta will take 30,000 from this 50,000. And these people will take 20,000 for their development, for their, because they are giving the access. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Yes, guys. What is not a product of Meta? No. What is not a product of Meta? These all different companies. Different companies. What they will do, they will contact to WhatsApp directly, and they will ask that, give me your API, the developer. API means what? Can be understandable in developers concept. Okay. So there are developers who can develop APIs. Okay. So internally. So they will take the raw API and they will develop the many features on that, and they will sell this to users like me, like Raj Informatica or Amazon or Flipkart. Okay. Whoever you are wanted to use WhatsApp in their business. Okay. So what they will do, they will take 50,000. What is taking 50,000? Base structure is same, correct? Base structure is WhatsApp. On the base structure, they will what they will do? They will develop many features which are not available in WhatsApp free version. Understanding? One of the feature is 10 users access they will get. I will get it. And okay. And if I send bulk SMS, bulk WhatsApp message, see, if you use directly WhatsApp web or WhatsApp business, if you send 2,000 messages per day, suppose if you send 2,000 messages per day from a single number to different numbers, same message, WhatsApp will block you. WhatsApp will ban you. But here there is no ban. No ban here because you are paying. This is free, correct? This is free. If WhatsApp is verified, as your business, as a free user, they will give 1,000 messages per day, 1,000 normally. If you beyond cross that, then they will ban. But here there is no ban. One is individual user, individual employee access, they will get it, you will get it. And bulk WhatsApp messages and many more features you will get it. Many more features you will get it based on the plan. See, I can see here. Official WhatsApp, 2,499 per month. 5 users. Additional user, 699 per month. Yes, please. Green tick and verification assistance. This is not a WhatsApp actually. This is not a WhatsApp. It is a WhatsApp API. What is a WhatsApp API? Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? So how WhatsApp API look like? You want to see? I'll show you, please. I will show you how a WhatsApp API look like. Okay. So just see. What is correct? What is WhatsApp API? Yeah. See this, please. So how what a dashboard look like? See here, it look like this. See this, are you seeing? It look like this. See, live.184.wati.com, team inbox. You see here? See this? New message. Okay, team inbox, contacts, broadcast, automation. And you can give automated replies also. Automated replies. See here, it look like this. Are you seeing here? See, this is directly you will uninstall WhatsApp business, and they will give a interface. Who will give the interface? Wati will give the interface. Understanding, everyone? So you can give the automatic replies also. You can set the automatic replies also. Understanding, everyone? Like this, we have many companies who provide WhatsApp API. Understood, guys? Are you clear? Understood? Now, what will happen in this case? See, let's come to our point now. Suppose you are a student, you are a customer or a student. You are a student. This is what it. Okay. This is what it. Correct. And this is main WhatsApp. WhatsApp company, Meta company. Meta or WhatsApp. Now what? Student will send a message. Student will send a message. And what he will receive a message. What it can be used in mobile also. What it can be used, they will give application also. Okay. I have contacted them, but for my requirement, they did not suit. That's why actually I used what API, but they did not suit my requirement. Then I left it. Okay, I did not pay to them. So student will send a message to Wati through Wati. Normally, student what they are having a WhatsApp, correct? In your mobile, you will be having WhatsApp application or a WhatsApp web application, correct? Yes or no, guys? Now what? You will send a message. Then I will Raj Informatica. Suppose I am having a Wati I contact. I got a message. When I got a message means WhatsApp also internally WhatsApp got this message, not Wati got the message. WhatsApp got the message. Okay. When you reply, it will come from WhatsApp to Wati, Wati to student. Understanding? So here, Wati is a API. Client is your student. Student is the client. And server is the main WhatsApp. And API is Wati. Understood? So it is giving, it is integrating Wati, my rajinformatica.com will integrate with Wati and will provide more features to the users. Understanding? Clear about it? Are you clear? And for every, see, when you send a request to Wati will send a request to Meta. What WhatsApp will do? WhatsApp will verify whether Wati has paid to us or not, whether Wati is paying us or not, whether Wati is a verified user or not. Then only it will give a response back. If it is not, it will not respond back. Understood? Are you clear? So like this. So what are the common? See, WhatsApp API, Zoom API we have, Zoom APIs, PhonePe API we have. Okay, PhonePe API. Yes, please. Raj Informatica is a client. Correct. Yes. Okay, Raj Informatica means students, means client. PhonePe API, GPay API. So there are many APIs are there. Okay, which you can integrate in any website. Which all these can be integrated in any website. Understanding? Any application, not only website, any application. Are you clear, please? Did you understand what is API exactly? Did you understand what is API exactly, please? Clear? Are you clear, please? Okay. Let's go to some example. Let's go to some other example. Let's go to some other real-time example. Okay. Suppose I have a bank called HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. Okay. So HDFC Bank, it is a banking system. It's a secure system. Okay. It's a secure system. They have written whatever the application, the code, they have written in Python. Okay. Or any other Java or anywhere, they have written the code. So for HDFC Bank website is there, no? HDFC Bank website is there. This website can be developed by Python or a Java or any other language. Okay. Yes, please. Now we have, suppose we have Paytm. Okay. We have Paytm. This is a, let's say this is server. Let's say this is server. This is server. Okay. Now let's take, we have Paytm. Okay. So let's take PhonePe, GPay, okay, and Paytm, and any other application. Now, I want to what? I want to know check the balance of HDFC Bank. Check the balance of my HDFC Bank through PhonePe. Can you check? Check the balance of HDFC Bank. Can you check? How PhonePe will check? So when you go to PhonePe and check balance, how it will check back to HDFC? HDFC has provided a API to PhonePe. HDFC has provided a API to PhonePe. API means, in a simple term, some link like this. How? HTTPS. One second, let me connect. Let me connect my charger. 1 second, please. So, what HDFC Bank will do? HTTPS, HDFC, okay, HDFC.com, HDFC.com, HDFC.com. Okay. Now, so this one will be given to PhonePe. When you give a check balance, internally what it will do? Okay. First, what it will do? First, check whether HDFC Bank will check whether this PhonePe is valid or not. Whether this PhonePe is valid or not. Okay. So PhonePe will send a request to HDFC. Okay. Then HDFC what it will do? They will validate the user whether this is valid or not. And they will send a response through what? Through balance. The balance will come to PhonePe. Correct? The balance will come to PhonePe. So user will request through PhonePe. User will request a check balance, and it will get the balance back to PhonePe. Correct? Understanding? Now, see, this PhonePe is need not to understand Python or Java. Do you think PhonePe understood this Python or Java? No, it will not understand. It will just understand HTTP protocol. It will send a HTTP request. Okay. And HDFC will send through XML or JSON format. That's a JSON or XML format PhonePe will understand. And PhonePe will understand the XML or JSON format. And they will show the balance to the customers. Understanding? So these clients, whatever the clients we have, they need not to understand whatever it has developed, Python or Java. The common understandable languages nowadays are XML or JSON. Understanding? Everyone? So the requests, we will send the request. The responses nowadays, the responses are coming from any API. Responses are coming from any API is which format? JSON format. Understanding? Everyone? The responses coming back from server to API are JSON format. Understanding? Suppose they have developed one more application, any other application. Okay, some UPI application. Now these people no need to understand this Python or Java. Just they will integrate HDFC API. Okay, so they will send a request through HTTP. These people will send a request to HTTP, and it will come back from JSON format or XML format. Previously they were getting XML formats. Now everyone are using JSON. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understood? Guys, did you understand clearly about API? Did you understand, please? What is application programming interface? Are you clear? Okay. Next, let's suppose COVID. You know, right? We have seen, okay, COVID 2 years. Okay. So we have seen COVID. Yes, please. So who will maintain COVID data? In this world, who has maintained COVID data? WHO, correct? World Health Organization. WHO has maintained COVID data. Okay. WHO has told to every country that whatever the COVID cases, you need to report us. through each city, each hospital, each state, each country will report to WHO. Correct? Yes, please. Now we were getting when we switch on any news channel or any website or anywhere. Suppose I want to know today, suppose today or particular date, what are the active COVID cases in India? Active COVID cases in India. How we will get it? Are active COVID cases in China? Active COVID cases in China today I want. How to get it? How to get? So WHO has given a API, has provided a API. Okay, has provided a API. From this API, okay, from this API, we can request to WHO. They will send a response back to us. How? Please see. I'll show you. So there is a website called, this is the official COVID website. Okay, you open this. Official COVID website. I'll show you. Okay, see this. This is the official COVID website maintained by WHO. It's a free thing actually. Now, actually, it is a API. API, COVID's API, actually. See. Now here, if I see here, yes, please. So here, what you can do now, if you see, suppose, let's take a report. Get, are you seeing get reports? I want to get some report. See now, COVID report. Click on get. Now see what they are telling. The date of the report which you wanted to, 2024-16, and the query, which country you wanted to. So this is the date. In which format? In string format. In this format only you need to send. And the string, this is the query of search by country region. Which country you wanted? What is the ISO code? Okay. And country or region filter by. Suppose I'll show you. Try it out. Just click on try it out. Now what I will do? So we'll see somewhere around 2020, June 15. Okay. So where, let's say in India. Okay. India. Okay. Yes, please. Understanding? In India, I want. So IND. Okay. These also IND. So I'm just removing all these things. Okay. IND. Now what I will do? I'll execute. Okay. Just a second. Let me execute again. So get 1 second. Cancel. Just a second, I'll execute again. Just wait. So it will give in this XML format, in this JSON format. I show you, please wait. Yeah. Now here, you give here. Get reports total by date. So try it out. Now see, please. What I'll give? 6/20. On 20th June 2020. In India, I want to see. In India, I want to see the COVID cases. Execute. Now see, please. See, the request URL is this. Do you see the request URL? Please try to understand the request URL. This is the request URL. Okay, this is the request URL. Okay, next it has given in the JSON format. Did you see? This is the JSON format. Who is giving this response? So we are giving a request through this website and we are getting a response. See, we are getting a response. Understanding? Date, last updated, confirmed cases on this date, 4,10,046. Confirmed difference, deaths difference, recovered difference, active cases, active difference. Okay, fertility rate. Yes, please. Is this a JSON format? Is this a JSON format, please? Understanding, guys? Everyone? So you can also test. You can also open directly. I'll give this. I have already mentioned this in the document. This COVID API. Okay. You can just open it So what? You just covidapi.com. Yes, please. Simple JSON format. Now scroll down here, the last one, reports total data by date, get. Here you give the date, whatever, here, try it now. Check it, try it now. In the try it now, you give, I am giving a request to the WHO. What? On July 2020, 10th of July 2020, in India, IND is the ISO code or a country code. I want to see the confirm cases. Execute. See, this is the request URL we are passing through API, and we are getting the response through JSON format. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Like this, every news channel, or they will get in this format, and they will change their format. Now, what they will do as a IICS? So now IICS, what it will do here? Okay, API is okay. Fine, API, everything is there. Now, what IICS will do in this case? What we will do through IICS, what we can do through IICS, I show you. Suppose this is WHO. Through IICS, okay, what we will do? We will request, suppose 1 year data through WHO, through API, and we'll load all these 1 year COVID cases, the data into our database, our data warehouse. And we'll generate the reports, whatever the reports you want. Can we? Can we generate the reports, guys? Yes, please. What I will do through IICS, what I will do, I will request 1 year. Suppose I have 10 countries. 10 countries I wanted through my database. 10 countries data. What I will do through simple by using IICS. In IICS also we can give this request. It will request it. We'll get the JSON format. And from JSON, we will load to data warehouse. From data warehouse, we will generate the report, whatever the report, whatever. If you get the data into our tables, our data warehouse in tables, we can generate the reports. Correct? Yes or no? How to find its REST API or SOAP API, you will understand in future sessions. Clear, guys? Understanding? So actually, this is called API documentation. This is called API documentation. So you need to understand it. See, suppose how I know that country code is India. Suppose I wanted to get through China. China is CHI, correct? China country code is CHI. I don't know. Then you can get the country codes also here. Are you seeing get regions? First get the country codes. Get to see, try it out here. Now I want to get the China report. Suppose. Okay, from this API. Now 20 pages. I want 20 pages. So ISO name sort by ascending order. Execute. Now see, please. These are all for Aruba AW, Afghanistan AFG. Country name and ISO. See, China. If you see China, so now see, I will download it. If I download, which format will download? If I download this, which format it will download? Suppose I'll give more here. I'll give 100 pages. Okay, 100 and execute again. Now I'll download. See, please. Download. Now it has downloaded JSON format. See, please. Response JSON format. Open this in Notepad++. Yes, please. So let it open because I given 100. Now see, please. All the country codes I got. Did I get all the country codes? China. We'll see China. Chile, Canada. Let's search China. Understanding, guys, everyone? China, CHL. We thought CHI, correct? But it's CHL. Now take the CHL. Take the CHL and put it here. CHL. Execute. In China, what are the active COVID cases at that time? See, these are the active COVID cases at that time, at that particular date. Clear, guys? Understanding? Are you clear? Everyone? Are you clear, guys? So like this, we will get the country codes, and like this, many things we can do it. This we can what? We can get this data to our tables, through what? Through IICS. Through IICS. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, did you understand? Now, you need to understand this URL. I told you, right? This is the request URL. If you see here, it is requested a URL here. This is a request URL. So this is the API reports. If you see here, see this. See, after this, this is, I'll put it in here. Put it in Notepad, just wait. So now we go to Notepad and see, in this, this is the till here is the website address or API address. Now after this, there is a question mark, correct? After this, there is a question. Means these are the parameters. We are sending the date, correct? We are sending the date, yes or no? And also, and see, if you want to send the parameters to any URL, what you need to do? You should give a question mark and the parameter name value. After the URL, question mark, date is a parameter, value is the date. And next parameter will not be next to question mark, it will be under. Suppose you want one more, and state you want. Suppose India, ISO is India. Okay, IND. Now again, and state you can give. If they support this state. Okay, state equal to AP. Here there are how many parameters? 3 parameters. One is date parameter from here, correct? So always parameters will start with question mark and it will divide with and operate. And understanding? Date, the parameter name is date and the value, and the parameter name is ISO, the value is IND, and the state is AP. Clear? Understanding, please? These are called parameters and values. Are you clear? Everyone? Did you understand the URL? Are you clear, please? Everyone? Clear? Yeah. Okay. Now I'll give one more example. See, please. Where now you know what is API, how API works, all the things you understood. Okay, just a second, I'm getting a call. Yes. So now, where we will use this, I already told where we will use IICS in this case. I'll give one more example. Let's take Amazon. You know Amazon, correct? Who is the delivery partner of Amazon? Delivery partner of Amazon, who is it? Delivery partner of Amazon. Who? Anybody knows? Who is the delivery partner of Amazon? Blue Dot. Correct? Blue Dot is the delivery partner of Amazon. Maybe was or is, I don't know, but Blue Dot was it. So now what it do? Okay. So suppose, let's say we have Amazon. I'll put the Amazon here. We have Amazon. Okay. Now there is a delivery partner. Who is the delivery partner? Blue Dot. Okay. Blue Dot is the delivery partner. Now customers will suppose you will order one thing. You will order one item through Amazon. Now Amazon, what they will do? Amazon will be having a database. This database, who will maintain? We can maintain as a ETL developer. We can maintain IICS by using IICS through Amazon API. We can get all the customers' orders to a database. Maybe it is in suppose Teradata database or Oracle database. In a Oracle table, can I get all the orders through IICS? I will connect it to Amazon API through IICS. Okay. And I will get all the orders to Oracle database. Yes, please. And this blue dot, what it will do? Blue dot will connect to this Oracle database, okay, our data warehouse, and they will take the orders. In that orders, they will be having address, and they will send the orders to the address. They'll send the items to the particular addresses. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So what we people will do? We will connect it by using CAI. We can get the data from Amazon API to Oracle database. Okay. And blue dot, what they can do? They will do? They will connect it to this database. Okay. And they will, whatever the format, see, we will get the format, some format we will get it from Amazon, some format, some JSON format we will get it. Correct? That's JSON format will connect it to tables. We'll send it to table. Yes, please. Correct? Okay. And these tables, blue dot can easily understand. Blue dot cannot understand JSON, maybe. Correct? Blue dot cannot understand JSON, but their systems can easily connect to Oracle database. That access we can provide to blue dot. Understanding? Clear, guys? So in this case, our IICS will work. Clear, guys? So we are the middleman. Now IICS is a middleman between the customers, between the Amazon and blue dot. Are you clear? Understanding? Clear, guys? Everyone, did you understand where we will use APIs? And now, next, if we go still inter, now what is REST? See, I told you the types of APIs. Main things, these two we will use mostly. SOAP or REST. SOAP APIs, okay, and REST APIs. SOAP APIs. SOAP means what? What is SOAP full form? What is SOAP full form? SOAP full form, Simple Object Access Protocol. Simple Object Access Protocol. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Now, what is REST API? REST API means representational state transfer. Representational state transfer. Are you clear? Representational state transfer is a REST API. Now, what is the difference between SOAP API and REST API? Okay. SOAP API will give the format of XML formats. So this is SOAP API. Okay. And this is REST API. Let's say REST API. SOAP API will give the response in which format? XML format. And REST API will give in the format of which format, guys? Which format, please? JSON format. JSON or XML, both it will give. SOAP will support only XML, but REST will support both JSON and XML. So now, see, why we are using JSON than XML? Can anybody tell? Why we are using JSON than XML? What is the advantage of JSON over XML? What are the advantages? Now, see, normally, when you send a HTTP request, you will get the response back, right? You will get the response back. That response is having some limitation, the characters. So they are having almost 1.5 or 2 lakh characters. So one HTTP request having maximum 2 lakh characters. Suppose if you send a request, it will give a XML format. The whole XML file characters are how many? Maximum 2 lakhs. See, suppose how JSON format is. JSON is like this, correct? JSON is like this. JSON format is like this. Okay. Suppose my name. Okay. So my name, it will be like this, correct? Name. This is the format of JSON. Name Raj. Okay. Phone. Suppose let's say phone. Yes, please. 8105296858. Yeah. Okay. Correct. This is JSON format. Suppose if same thing, this is giving a JSON response. If you give XML response, if it gives XML response, XML format is like this. It will be having a root, correct? And then it will be having the root and slash root, tag end, correct? It will end the tag. In between what will happen? So name, yes, please. Name, then here Raj. This is XML format, correct? Then slash name, it will end the tag, correct? Then phone, okay? So that is 8105296858. Then it will end the phone also, slash phone, correct? So the number of characters are more here, yes or no, please? Is the number of characters are more in the XML format? Is it correct or not? Number of characters are more or not in XML format? Yes or no, please? This is XML format. This is JSON format. If you see, this is having more characters. This is having less characters. That is the main advantage of JSON. Here, you should send more requests. When you are using XML, more requests, more responses. But here, less requests, less responses. Getting my point? So that is why nowadays everybody are using JSON. Every system is understanding JSON nowadays. Clear? JSON become popular. If you talk with me 5 years back, XML was popular, but now JSON is popular. Clear? Did you understand the difference between? So when you request through REST API, you will get JSON format. If you request through SOAP API, you will get XML format. You can get XML here also. You can select. Understood? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Now, normally, see, from when JSON came to use, maybe from 3-4 years. Okay. So now, what I'm trying to say, see, here, if you want to get the data, it is difficult. So you need to, if you want to get the data here, okay, it is difficult for you. So now, normally, to make API calls, here we are making API call. Are we making a call through here? We are giving what here? Somewhere here, right? Here, what we are doing? We are giving the parameters to it. Okay, 11th, 2020, July 11th. Okay, for India, what are the COVID cases? Okay, when you execute, what it will do? We are giving a call, that is a request, call or request, both are same. And we are getting the response back. Normally, we will not do like this. We can use a postman tool to make the API calls or to test your APIs. We can use postman tool to make API calls or test APIs, application integrations. What we can do, we have a postman tool. So you can download the postman tool in your system. I will uninstall, which I have, and I will download again in front of you. Okay. I'll uninstall my postman tool and I will install in front of you. Just wait. I'll uninstall this. Okay. Uninstall. Still it is there. Uninstall. No, it is uninstalling maybe. It is again installing. I'll tell you what is the role of postman. I will tell you. Please wait. Okay, you will understand everything. Just wait. So it is not uninstalling. Okay, you can go through directly Google. Download Postman. You just go download Postman tool. Okay. So in the Postman tool, click on this. So click on Windows 64-bit. Click on Windows 64-bit. Okay, it will download. So just let me log out at least. Okay, it is downloaded. Yeah. Now install it. Install the Postman tool. So once you install, it will ask for the login. Once you install, it will ask for the login. You can log in through your Google. You can log in through your Google. So I will log out, sign out. Okay. So like this, it will install. Once you install, what you have to do? Okay, you can sign in. Are you seeing create account or sign in? First, create account. Click on create account. When you click on create account, it will open a browser. So here, sign up with Google you can give, or you can create a new account. So anything, info dot like this. I'm using this account. Okay. So then open Postman. So once you open the Postman, so it will open here. It will open here. Yes, please. Now give your name. I'm giving the name as Raj Informatica. Raj Informatica. And anything you can select. Okay. So I'm selecting as CEO. Continue. Yes, please. Okay. So just close this. Now here, what you do? Here, click on this new. Click on the new HTTP request. Click on new HTTP request. Okay. Now what you do? See, please. From the COVID API, you take this. You take this request URL. You put it here. You take the request URL, and what you do? You put it here. When you put here, the parameters has come automatically. See, when I remove, the parameters are gone. See, when I paste the URL, are you seeing key, date, and ISO? Date, ISO. Date automatically has given here. Now send, click on send. You will get the response immediately. See, did you get the response? Did you get the response, guys? See, not only here, you can get this response through browser also. Directly put in the browser. This response, see, you will get in the browser also. But browser is having less features. Postman tool is having more features. Now you want to change the date. Just change the date here. Suppose on 8th, 8th, 12th. Okay, in CHL or whatever, or India. Okay, India. Postman is a API testing tool. We can test our API, or we can make the calls to API. Here, are we make the call to API? Are we making a call to API? This is our API. In this, we are sending a request and we are getting response back. Through Postman tool, it is easy. Okay, sometimes it will ask user ID passwords. So we can get the user ID passwords here also. So we can give some APIs without authentication, they will not allow. So you should give user ID password also here. Those and all I will tell you in the next session. These and all I will tell you in the next session. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Clear about API? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Did you understand what is API? So in the next session, we will learn more about how to use APIs in IICS. Okay, how to make the calls, how to make the HTTP request through IICS. Through IICS, we can get it, and how you get back. Okay, did you understand, guys? How is the first session of next session is on tomorrow? Next session is on tomorrow. We have continuous sessions from today. We have continuous sessions from today. If any break, I will let you. If I don't tell means next session is on tomorrow only. Okay. Fine, guys. So how is my first session of AP CAI? Did you understand clearly without any confusion? Did you understand clearly? So you have to concentrate more on CAI. CAI is little tricky than CDI, and you need to have more practice. So practice day by day. So today what you do? Install Postman tool and open this one and just read out this web service and API. They may ask in the interview, okay, what is the difference between web service and API? Just go through this, you will understand. So what is web service and API? So I have given everything, whatever I explained today. Okay, and I will give the notes also. Yes, please. Understanding? Yes, video will be available for 24 hours. This video I'll make as public in the YouTube. From tomorrow, it will be available only for you. Okay. Fine, guys. Yes. So in real time, Postman is the tool only for API, correct? Yes. We will use Postman tool for API testing. Okay. I require, as I told you, I require 6 to 8 sessions. 6 to 8 sessions. Mainly, we will use Postman tool for API testing. Okay. 6 to 8 sessions I require. We'll see based on the these things. Okay. In the project, we will use CDI, CA both. Yes. Few projects only we will use CDI. Few projects will use CDI and CA. So it will be like that. But if you know CAI, it will be good for you. It will be good. Okay. I'll give the notes. Yes, please. We should practice more CDI than CA. CA is little tricky. You should practice more on CA. Yes. But I will make you easy. Don't worry. I'll make sure that it will be easy for you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Clear, guys? Fine. So did you understand today's session? Did you understand today's session, please? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions, please? Lots of CLI means real-time scenarios. Yes. From tomorrow, I'll tell real-time scenarios. From tomorrow, I'll tell real-time scenarios only. Don't worry about it. Fine, guys. Yes, please. Clear. Today class video will be available. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Dim to fact mapping. I will send you. You WhatsApp me. If you want, I will send you the XML. Okay. I already shown how to load fact, and you can post in the group. You can please post in the group. People will help you. Okay. Swati, please post in the group. And anybody help to Swati about the fact loading? Can anybody help, guys? Can anybody help Swati to fact loading? So please post in the group. Please post in the group. Okay. So keywords and all I will tell. I'll tell. Okay. Yes, please. If I do scheduling after shutdown, it also will run. So your server should be running, whether it is Powercenter or IICS. Powercenter means services should be running. IICS means secure agent should be running. Then if you close also internally, the job will run. Yes, guys, fine. So did you understand clearly today? Did you understand clearly today, please? Everyone, please respond. Did you understand clearly? Yes. So tomorrow onwards, we'll enter into directly IICS. IICS CAI. Okay. I just give an introduction today. Yes, please. Fine, guys. Okay. Yes, please. So see you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. I'll send the material also. Okay, in the website it will be available. See you tomorrow. Thank you all. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you all. This is all about today's topic. I hope you got good information from my videos. For more information, please subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos. Thank you. Thank you all.